Welcome to NUUO Titan NVR training. You are currently in the accessories section, and during this video we're going to explain how to use the joystick on Titan NVR. For the convenience and effectiveness of utilizing the PTZ function, Joystick is a very popular tool for many users. Currently, Titan NVR supports joysticks under Windows operating system. How do we add one? First, plug your joystick to the PC. After that, go to the Live View interface and go to Menu. Click on Client Configuration and then select Function. Inside this section, as we can see, the joystick settings are right there. Click on Settings. Now you can set up the hotkeys for the joystick commands. For instance, we have defined button 1 and button 2 as zoom in and zoom out. Then we also have a list with other options. Let's define button 3 as previous grid. After that, click on OK. Let's see how it works in the Live View window. For PTZ cameras, directly select the content and ensure you're in optical mode. Now you can fully enjoy the navigation options of our joystick. As for non-PTZ cameras, choose digital mode. First, zoom in, and then use the joystick to work in the region you focused on. Remember the hotkeys we just set up? You can press button 1 or button 2 to quickly zoom in or zoom out. You can also change to different grids by pressing button 3. For further information on the availability of accessories related to Titan NVR, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.